Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to enable the 3D view. So let's get in. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we are running our hardware acceleration. We're going to go over to the right-hand side on Google Chrome and we're going to hit the three dots. Here we will navigate down to settings. And once we're in settings, on the left hand side you will have a toolbar, and here you will look for system. Alternatively, you may have it in one full menu, or you can just type in system over here. Now here it says use graphics acceleration when available. It also may say use hardware acceleration when available. Now if this is not checked on, you must now check it on, and then you will have a relaunch button here, which will basically just restart Chrome so that the changes can take effect. And once you're done, you're going to go out of here. Now, from the views menu on the left hand side, you can see it says layers. We're going to tap on that. We're going to go over to more, and here we're going to look for satellite. We're going to select that and make sure that globe view is checked on. The next thing we want to go ahead and do is just go over to the right hand side and tap on 3D, and we are now officially in 3D mode. I'm going to show you how that looks right now. If you zoom all the way in, you can actually look around as you would in person. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you in another amazing video. Cheers.